What's up, guys? So today in chapter 2 of rebuilding the BMW M4 F82, look at that sexy thing in my background. We got all the radiators on, we did an oil change, we put some coolant in it, so now the car is safe to drive. How amazing! The car won't blow up when I turn it on. And we're gonna do a walk around because we still got stuff to fix, but at least it's looking better. So right now we're on the front end of the car. As you can see, we got the wheel over there because the tire on this is terrible, very, very terrible. We have the bumper right here and everything's off. But we did put back on the radiators and everything on the front. The whole front end is on. We're all good. The only problem is now I need a new tire for this wheel right here. This wheel is gone. We can no longer use this. This is no good, not at all. So we need a new tire. The rim is still good. It is a little damaged right here, as you can see. Let me get up close there. You can see it a little. It's a little damage right there, but that's savable. We can salvage this. All right, just like the car, we can salvage this. All right, we can make it work one way or another. We can make it work. The only thing that we really need right now for the car is a new mirror, as you can see from my background. Yeah, right here. This mirror is broken. Yes, it is. Now, I don't know if I should repair the whole thing or what, but it's definitely broken. And it's odd because I do not need the entire thing. I just need the glass for this, and I need this back piece. However, I don't know what I should do. What do you guys think I should do? Yeah, let me know down below. What do you guys think I should do? But surprisingly, all the brakes and rotors are fine. How amazing, because those cost like $1,000 each. The fenders, everything got lined up, everything's all good. Everything mechanically is good with the car, thank God. So all we need right now is the tire and this mirror right here. Yeah, let me know down below, what should I do? I'm really unsure. Should I get an entire new mirror, which costs like $500, or should I just find the individual components, which are very hard to come by, because everybody, for some reason, who decides to sell this car and the parts, they only sell it as a whole mirror. So I'm gonna see what I do. I have been looking at Marketplace. That's the great thing about BMWs. The aftermarket is out of this planet. Best aftermarket in the business, by the way. I did get a new tire, so we're gonna put that on. Rims is gonna look good, but all the rims are good. The rims are good, all the other tires are good. It was just that one, but mechanically, everything is good. So right now we're gonna do a startup. Let's turn it on, let's see how it sounds. Ooh. This interior is beautiful. I absolutely love this interior. The lighting system malfunction is definitely related to the headlights I put on, but we're gonna work that out. So there's no lights on the dash except that are related to like the lights or whatever. Those don't matter. All right, the point is the S55 engine has not blown up. That's what's important, yes. Now, don't get me wrong, one thing that's a must we have to take care of, the crank hub. Yes, everybody who has this car, they know the crank hub blows up like a ticking time bomb on these cars. So we're gonna have to get that upgraded, but that's gonna wait till after the inspection. Yeah, after the inspection, we can move on to a whole bunch of things. Yeah, we can go crazy with the car. We can get a downpipe, we can get it tuned, we can get everything on the planet. We can push this thing to 1,000 horsepower, with enough like and subscribe, shameless plug. Anyways, make sure you like and subscribe. Anyways, yeah, let me know, comment down below, what should I do? I'm thinking about, the main things I want to do is definitely a downpipe and a tune. Catless downpipe specifically, because you get the catless only if you have the courage. Yes, if you have catted, you're not a real man. Anyways, we're gonna get catless downpipes, definitely get a tune. Definitely a burble tune, maybe we'll get a burble tune as well. The main things I hear are a downpipe and a tune, but we'll see how it goes. But right now we got no lights on the dash. We're ready to pass inspection. I just have to get that mirror. I already have the tire. We got those two things and we're almost good to go, guys. Everything is looking great. Everything's going smoothly. This is why you get a car with a little bit of damage, not too much, We get a car with too much damage, you run into major problems. Yes, we want to avoid this at all costs. Look at that beautiful rear end. And this rear end isn't even done yet. We did get a bunch of things. We got a carbon diffuser right here. We got different exhaust tips we're gonna throw on probably after the inspection, because you know that'll be taken care of. But yeah, we got the carbon diffuser. We got the different exhaust tips. I bought some new lights, so this lights up. Yeah, I did buy the aftermarket. I don't even know what it's called, but these rear lights right here. This thing is gonna look sexy. I know I should probably get some spacers, make it a little wide. That'll look real sexy too. Yeah, let me know, comment down below. What else should I do to the car? To me, this is hands down the coolest part of this entire car. Oh my God. Guys, just look at this. I know this is probably normal to the rest of the car community or the BMW community, but the freaking seats light up. That's so sexy to me. Oh my God. Just, hold on, let me zoom in a little. Look how sexy that is. Oh my God. I'm absolutely obsessed, guys. Now, I do want to change the color of the seats. Now, I don't know if that's going to come with me paying somebody to change the color, or if I'm just going to, you know, buy some aftermarket seats, or if I'm going to just buy it off somebody who had an M4. I don't really know, but either way, I'm spending at least $1,000 to replace the seats. I don't know why F82 seats are so freaking expensive, but they are. I'm looking at least probably like $1,500 just for the two front seats. The aftermarket for seats on an F82 is so crazy. But even on the interior, what do you guys think I should change? I'm not really feeling ambient lighting. Ambient lighting is cool. It has, like, you know, the little baby ambient lighting on this car. But what I'm really feeling is changing the seat colors. That's about all I want to do. I want to change the seat colors. Yes, I love the interior, the little glowing. However, I'd love it even more if it was red. This is really my dream car, guys. I'm living the dream right now. Y'all don't know, I wanted this car for 5 years. And I finally got it, guys. So y'all let me know. We're not trying to tune in nothing crazy. You know, I'd like to get to around 600 horsepower. I know with a downpipe and a tune, that's pretty normal for an M4 F82. That's pretty low for a G82, but it's okay. We got the F82, I did it with. But y'all let me know down below. I think 600 horsepower is a great number. I don't want to get past that, because then we really run into crank up issues, but I am going to change the crank up anyways. But yeah, y'all let me know down below, what should I do? Make sure to like, share, subscribe. We're going to get out of here, but have a good one, y'all. Make sure you comment down below. Have a good one.